Didn't we do this one?
We are starting. It's the maximum.
Can't hear it.
Can't hear it.
I hear it.
Very, very low.
Okay. Mariv, can you?
I'll try. I'll try. Okay, hold on.
Okay. Because it's on 100.
Everything else is very loud, but the song is very soft.
Very, yeah.
So maybe Mariv, I stop sharing.
You don't have to. I can kick you
I
off.
don't have to. Okay, good.
Yeah. Let's see what this does. Is that better?
Yeah. I have something else on the screen.
Today's program is going to be about songs.
No.
I don't hear
Wait. Let me try and put all the. Yeah, that's as high as I can get it.
Okay.
Songs is from the 17th century, where it relates about the hardships of the Jews of Frankfurt in the uprising led by Fettmilch during the years 1612 to 1616. Jews were forced to leave the city, and the text, well, we don't have the words, is the Yiddish, we don't have the music, is the Yiddish. In the year 1614, at that time, it happened in the city of Frankfurt, a great struggle began. A later song, which relates
Does it start? Are there more than one song in this one?
Yeah, I think she had said she gave us the time.
I cannot hear anything.
Who heard what time it starts at?
I don't have. I'd have to look at the email.
Yeah, look in the email. I don't know where. All right, I'm gonna go forward and look for it.
Okay, so you know what? Let's start reading it, and
I'll go find it. If somebody.
23 minutes, 25 minutes.
Okay, wait, 23
and 25 seconds. 23 and 25.
Yes.
What about we read first and then we will listen, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we can start.
I will get it there when we by the time we come back, I'll get it to the right place.
Exactly. So let's do it this way. So what did I want to say? Yeah. Sol, can you read the English, please?
We've seen that Yiddish songs sometimes dealt with current events. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Pogroms in Tsarist Russia, the working conditions of the sweatshops, the effects of immigration on traditional Jewish life, the nuclear disaster in Chernobyl, etc. One of the most heartbreaking was the elegy for the victims of the Triangle Fire.
Yeah, we did it. We already listened to it. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Sol, can you read the English?
Same thing is on.
Yeah, but you are muted, Sol.
It's on the owner's desk.
You are muted.
Okay,
Okay, now.
She said, it's on the owner's desk.
Okay, we are now, Sol, please.
The same thing that she just said is on the screen.
Sol, can you read it?
Who, me? English is on.
Please, can you read the English, please?
That's the screen I just read. You need to move on to your next screen. Your next.
You read it. Okay, but I was asking Sol. Okay, so.
There you go. Okay.
Talking to me?
Yes, please. Can you read the screen?
Sure. The horrifying wreck of the Titanic in 1912, with the loss of more than 1,500 lives, inspired a number of Yiddish songs, some of which were performed in Warsaw in the 1930s.
Wow.
3 versions appeared in the Journal of the Yiddish Folker in 1954. The version sung here is by Zalman Mlotek, was one of them. It was included in the anthology edited by his parents, Chana and Yossel Mlotek. Mlotek sang the song last year as part of his living room concert series. Note that the Titanic was a British ship, not an American ship.
Right.
The word Kartina means scene, and Maschinen here refers to the engines that run the Titanic.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So, Beverly, can you start reading?
Yes. Hat gewiss, liebe Menschen, gehört, was auf dem Jam hat sich verlogen. You heard, my wonderful people, or my lovely people, you heard what happened on the sea. I don't know what sich verlang. Oh, verlaufen.
We're lost.
Yeah, we lost on the sea. An Americana ship.
No. Verlaufen, I got fogged up.
What?
When the sea was foggy. When the sea got fogged up, yes?
Really? No.
No. Refoil is chocolate. Refoil chocolate me the top. Refoil, please.
Verlaufen just means occurred. What it comes from life and to run.
Right.
So that what happened on the sea.
Right. Thank you. Amerikaner Schiff hat sich übergekehrt. American ship turned itself over. Viel Menschen sind der Trunken geworden. A lot of people, how do you say getrunken?
Drowned.
They drowned. Sometimes I can't remember the English word.
Okay.
Why did they say American? It's an English.
Oi. Hassan Kala sind sich gesessen in Frieden. Oh my God. A bride and a groom was sitting there so happy. Sehr afraid hat noch keiner nicht gestört. No one ever saw such happiness as was theirs. Sie haben geschrien, they yelled, lieber Gott, God,
Dear God.
My love, God, my love. Was tust du? What are you doing? Uns to separate us. Aber der liebe Gott hat sich zu sehr, wait, I can't see that one. Nicht zu, but the wonderful God did not listen to them.
Thank you. Bonnie.
Yes, okay. Oi, stellt euch vor, liebe Menschen, die Kartina. I'm not sure what stellt.
Imagine.
Yeah. Imagine?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, so that those 3 words would mean imagine?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Put it in front
Imagine loving people.
Dear friends.
Okay, dear friends, the scene. Wie groß ist gewinn Gott Zorn? How great is God's sorrow?
Worries.
Rage.
Anger.
Rage.
Anger.
Rage.
Anger. Rage.
Okay, only Maurice, please.
Zorn is rage.
Zorn is okay.
That he would do such a thing.
Welfil Wasser sich rein in die Maschinen. How much water there is in the engine. Und die the electria is verloschen, verloschen geworden. And the electricity is extinguished. No
Good
more.
morning. Good.
That's great.
Maurice, do you have any comments about?
That's good. It's fine. Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Okay. I thought it's more. Okay. So I will stop sharing, and Marie will find.
One comment I want to make. One comment.
Yes,
the comment is, my first cousin David Sarnoff was the one who got the first SOS from the Titanic. He was a Morse code operator in John Wanamaker's department store.
My God, John Wanamaker's. Wow.
I think it was John Wanamaker. I may be wrong on that, but David Sarnoff got the first message of SOS from the Titanic.
Okay, so Marie found it, so let's listen, please.
The sinking of the Titanic in 1912.
Really, really low.
Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Ihr hat gewiss, liebe Menschen, geheiert, was auf dem Java-Waham hat sich verlaufen. Amerikanische Schiff hat sich übergekehrt und viele Menschen sind vertrunken geworden. Euch stellt euch vor, liebe Menschen, die Kantine, wie groß ist gewesen Gottes Zorn, wenn viel Wasser ist rein in die Maschinen und der Lektor ist verloschen geworden. Da 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 Kalle sind sich gesessen im Frieden. Sehr Freude hat doch keiner nicht gesteuert. Sie haben geschrien, lieber Gott, was tust du uns zu schäden? Aber der liebe Gott hat sich zu sehen nicht zugehört. Euch stellt euch vor, liebe Menschen, die Kantine, wie groß ist gewesen Gottes Zorn, wenn viel Wasser ist rein in die Maschinen und der Lektor ist verloschen geworden. Dai, 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 dai. So, the next moment in Jewish history and
sing a song about is the tragedy of the song of the Triangle Fire.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Marie. It was really, really low. Anyway, I see two new people, Ellen and Josefa. So welcome to our, Josefa, you would prefer calling you Josefa or Janice?
Josefa, yes. Actually,
Josefa,
my father always pronounced it Josefa with the longer E.
Josefa. Okay, so whatever you prefer. So welcome to our group. I hope you like what you see or what you hear. So, any comments about the song or questions before we move?
No.
Yeah, I see Barbara.
No,
Barbara.
actually, I just want to comment. Janice Josefa is the leader of the Allentown, Pennsylvania Yiddish group. And I wanted to give her the covet that she deserves.
At the rate we're going, the Allentown group is we're invading.
Is invading. That's good. Good. Invade. We like
That's
it.
right.
Invade.
And she's also on the advisory board of the IAYC. So
okay, great. The only thing, if both of you can, if you want, write your email.
I sent it to you already.
You sent
it's an
it.
email.
Perfect. So I will send it I will forward it to Maurice so he can also.
Dalman, melodic.
Okay, so let's.
Before we start, may I ask for a correction on my name? The Priven is
Well, how do you want to spell it? I didn't know how to spell it.
2 I's instead of 2 E's. 2 I's.
Oh, okay, I'll fix it.
Thank you, sweetheart. Andre Previn spells it with an E.
Well, I just did something that I got as close as I could.
Previn.
Okay,
yes, Cookie. Yes, Cookie. Yes.
Okay, Maurice.
Okay. I'll start with a request.
Maurice, please.
Yeah, I just want to say, if anyone wants to hear the song and they can't hear it well on the version that I sent with Zalman Lotic, on YouTube, there's another version. It's from an album called Pearls of Yiddish Song. And I think Lauren Sklamberg who sings it. So if you can't hear the one from Zalman, you can hear the one from Pearls of Yiddish Song on YouTube.
Are you saying Pearls of Yiddish Song?
Yeah.
Pearls of Yiddish Song.
Isn't there a book like that?
Sounds like a Melodic book, doesn't it?
It is.
Yes.
And he also did a series.
Yeah.
If you go to the new NYTF website, there's a series that he did, and every week or whatever he did a different song.
That might have been it.
Okay, yeah. Rafael put it in the chat, the link to it. So, okay, good to know. So let me share the story. If you remember what we did, it's about a guy that lives in New York, but he doesn't think that New York is the real America. So he wants to go other places that he thinks is the real America, like, California or Chicago, or even, God forbid, Philadelphia, Bonnie. So
yeah, he's welcome. I live right near the Liberty Bell.
Yeah. Anyway, he never has enough money. Whenever he thinks that he has enough to go, something else comes up, and he cannot get to what he thinks is the real America.
The promised land.
Yeah. But he's in New York, which, well, if you think of it, it's not America. So anyway, so here we are, mein Chaver Hyman. Okay, Harriet, please.
Can you tell me what page it is?
Here it's page 47, and on the screen it's here, mein Chaver Hyman.
Okay,
Yes.
I will do it. Mein Chaver Hyman hat sich modne der Freit genommen zu heilen sein Kapital. Erst hat sich. My friend Haman was strangely delighted. He began to count his money, and then he realized vermocht bloß $1 mit a halben. He only possesses $1.50. Und dank mein Eitze bestimmt zuvor came Patterson. And thankfully, my advice, I forgot what bestimmt is. Agreed that he should travel to Patterson, New Jersey.
Yes.
Es ist doch näher zu California. It's closer than California.
But it's not. It's Philadelphia.
No, Patterson, New Jersey.
Mine says Philadelphia.
No, Philadelphia is up. We are here.
Not
past that.
Whatever.
Here we are here with the blue one.
He can't afford to get to Philadelphia.
He cannot go to Philadelphia, so maybe he can go to Patterson. Which the direction?
It's pretty close to the city.
Yes.
Patterson is much closer than Philadelphia to New York.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, but it's really
to California. It's closer than California.
To California. To California.
To California. To.
Okay. Und es wird noch ihm bleiben bei $1 auf die erste Tag leben. And it will, he'll have still about $1 for the first days of living.
To live.
Yes, to live. Und hat sich endlich gelost in weiten Weg rein. And he similarly
it's finally.
Oh, fine, sorry. He finally embarked on going to a faraway place, came to Patterson. Aber wie es hat sich ausgelöst, ist euch in Patterson nicht gefahren. But since he had exhausted his supplies.
No. But it turned out.
Oh, sorry. Oh, right. It come to an end. Therefore, it turned out that he didn't go travel to Patterson. Begegnet. Oh, I met him. Begegnet hat ich ihm in Hormonat Arum spazieren auf Pitkin Avenue in Bronxville. And I saw him, I ran into him, I met him in a few months later walking around on Pitkin Avenue in Bronxville. Bis noch nicht gefahren came Patterson? You haven't yet traveled to Patterson? Hab ich sich verhirischt. I was surprised. Nein, Bruder, ich hab nicht gekannt. No, my friend, I wasn't able to. Es hat sich untergerückt, schon fahren, seitige Hatzoa, and I wasn't able to. It turned up yet before I traveled another secondary expense, und ich bin's geblieben by $0.50, and I was only left with 50 cents, a $0.50. For groß Bankschaft bis ich entlaufen came Bronxville. Due to a great longing or nostalgia, I ran off to Bronxville. Und dabei hat auf mir ein Wurf getan, hoffnungslosen, and then he cast upon me a hopeless glance, wie gerät, and said, Schwer, Bruder, zu der Griechen America. It's hard, my friend, to attain or reach America. Then du fallst rein in New York. When you arrive unexpectedly in New York.
When you arrive in New York, yeah.
When you arrive.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's the cursor is here. The cursor is here. I tried to change it, but it was not working.
What
Anyway,
what is falst? Falst?
When die fallst daran, fallen daran, it's when you fall into, when you get into. Beverly, you raised your hand, Beverly.
I did. So that's where I'm from, Brownsville. And
Brownsville, yeah.
Pitkin Avenue was where we went to go shopping. So
I'm from East New York, so I know Brownsville too.
Right.
So that's why he had only $50. He went shopping. So yeah.
Yes. That's where you went shopping.
Nina,
Yes, Maurice.
there was a Yiddish book written in the 1930s, Gate Hindele, Kein Brownsville.
Oh yeah, we did it, Maurice. We did it.
Yeah, we read it. We read it.
Right.
Yeah.
Very sweet story.
Yeah, we read it. I even remember that Raphael mapped the way that the Indele was going. So yeah.
It was the only non-Jews were the janitors. The whole area of miles was all Jewish immigrants, and that's where Yiddish was spoken.
And all the janitors learned to speak Yiddish.
Yeah, eventually.
They did.
Yeah.
I had a Puerto Rican friend whose father was fluent in Yiddish because he had been a janitor on the concourse.
My best friend spoke Yiddish fluently because he had a stand in the Fulton Fish Market.
Right.
And all the Yiddish women. When he got up to speak Yiddish, we were hysterical. It was the funniest thing.
So anyway, so that was the story because I promised you a funny one. And now we have something a bit different, really different. Wie soll die Feigelech haben gelernt Chumash? So Eliezer, I sent you material about Eliezer Steinberg, and he wrote fables. He wrote fables mainly for children, and this is kind of a combination of a story and a fable. So let's try.
Oh,
Did we
print a little bit bigger? Yeah.
Did we finish the other story? I guess.
Yeah, the other stories, you said it's very different.
You never got past Pitkin Avenue.
Yeah.
The conclusion was you can't escape New York.
You cannot escape New York, exactly. Yeah. Once you're there, that's it. Finished.
Even if you move away.
Even if you move away, yeah. Look at Marsha. Where is she? Back and forth. Okay. Raphael, please.
Wir soll die Feglech haben gelernt Chumash. How the little birds studied Chumash. Kra, kra, kra. That's a bird sound.
Can't make that bigger.
Who's making such a noise? Die Kra, the crow. Und warum schreit die Kra? Kra, 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 kra. And so why is the crow calling out kra, kra? Das weißt du nicht, Kind. So, child, you don't know that? No, will ich dir erzählen, so I'll tell you. Kra, kra is a Vogelloschen. So kra, kra is in bird language. The kra, kra of Lashon Kodesh. Just like kra in the Holy Tongue. Leon heißt das. Read it.
Correct.
Und warum schreit die Crow, Leon? So why then is the crow calling out that one should read? Well, die Crow is der Rebbe von die Feglech, because the crow is the teacher of the little birds. Schreit der Rebbe, kra kra, Leon Fegele, Leon. And so that's why the Rebbe, the teacher, is calling out kra kra. Read, little bird, read.
Minna, can you move it a little bit more to the right?
Right.
The text. No, the other way. No.
The other right? Okay, that's it. That's what I can.
That's as far as you can go. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So.
Has Gressa? No, Gressa, the ISIS.
No, because it goes out of the page.
Right.
It's fine. Everybody can adjust their own size.
I wish I knew how. I have to find it.
Okay, before you continue, Mariv, yes?
So if I'm right, there's a double joke here because kra is sort of like you would say read in Hebrew, right?
That's the
It's a
point.
bilingual pun.
Yeah.
That's
It's
the
a
point. That's the point.
trilingual or so.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, go on, please.
Und der Pfarr ruft man die Crow Rob. And
Rob.
that's why they call the crow Raven.
Oh.
Weil Rob heißt Rebbe.
Ah.
Because this is the child asking. Is it because Rob or Rov also means Rebbe?
Rebbe.
Yep, yeah, that's it. You got it. Und haben denn die Vögel Bächlich? So do the little birds have little books? Avada, of course. Noch was für a Bächlich. And such books they have. A jeder Baum, a jedes Bämele is a Bächele. Each tree, each little tree is a little book. A Bächele mit Blättlich. It's after all a book with leaves.
Another word.
Yeah. Mit grüne Blättlich? With green leaves? MS. Righto. And haben denn die Blättlich Eisjes? But then do the leaves have letters? Avada. Of course. Sollst du Tage wissen, and you should of course figure this out. Nimm a Blättele. Take a little leaf, my child. A green Blättele von a Bämele. A little green leaf from a little tree. Und guckt sich zu, and just look at it. Wirst du sehen, you'll see. Stricklich and Pascalich. Lines and
dashes.
Yeah, I guess dashes, or it could be
Stripes.
Stripes.
Right.
Thin Pascalich. Thin stripes. Taka. Yeah. Nu ot. So, there. Sind die Strichlich, nicht glatt as I Strichlich, und die Pascalich, nicht glatt as I Pascalich. So, the lines are not just lines, and the stripes are not just stripes. Von jener Pascalich und Redelich, was du handelst, zumal as I sich mit der Pen. They're not the same as the stripes and circles that you doodle. I think tental must be doodle.
Yes,
that you doodle,
it is.
You doodle sometimes with your pen. Nein, noch Oisius is das Gor. No, that's actually letters. Emissa Oisius, actual letters. Amal haben Menschen Eicher seine Oisius geschrieben. Once upon a time, people also wrote that sort of letters. Fleckerksav, pflegen sie die Oisius rufen. They used to call that cuneiform.
What?
Well, I'm making it up that it's cuneiform. It's Fleckerksav means, I don't know, spot writing?
Yeah,
I couldn't find the...
In the dictionary, and it gave the translation as cuneiform.
Oh, good.
Oh.
Right.
Good. Okay, another paragraph, please.
Nu, haben sie dämmelt euch das Xav von die Grede Blättlich gekleinen? So the child asks, well, in those days, were they also able to read the writing on the green leaves?
Okay, thank you, Refoil. Thank you. Josefa, can you continue?
I haven't seen this before, so I may not know all the words. Nein Kind, no child. Das Kasav von die grüne Bämelech is Gor Bazunder Flecker Kasav. Where was I? The writing on the green little trees is actually what's Bazunder? Discovered? No.
Separate.
Se-
Very different.
different from cuneiform. Mesogt, one says, vers ist gut und fromm wie Fegele kommt ihm bei Nacht what's
Malachal.
a little angel to Cholam.
Okay, but go back and translate.
Where were we here? Well, who's good and religious as little birds comes at night. A little angel comes to him at night in his dream. A pitzala, a little point. Oh, a pitzala malachal, a tiny angel. The fegele die grace.
Fegele die grace.
So I don't know what like a
the size of a bird.
Oh, size. Okay.
The size. The grace is the size.
Okay.
The size of the bird.
Yeah, the size of the bird. Korov?
Krov.
What is that? Krov?
Krov is an angel. Krov is in Hebrew.
Cherub.
I don't know.
Cherub.
Cherub, yeah.
Oh,
like
cherub. It's the cherub, right? In English. Cheruvim, right? Chorov. Ruft men es. It's called.
Men call it.
It's called a cherub. Das Malachal und se lernt im Ois das. How were we saying this? Kasav. Von die grüne Blätterlech zu Leinen. And it teaches him how to write from the little green trees, how to read. Oops.
Like the leaves.
Yeah. Okay.
No? Like the pages.
Like the pages to read the green little leaves are the pages, right, to read. Taka, really? Should I go on or?
Yes, you will go on, but first Morty, yes.
Yes, I just wanted to mention that here the ktaf is refers to the text on the leaf. Those ktaf and the text from the green leaves.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Morty. I cannot see you.
I cannot see myself either.
Okay.
I'll see what I can.
So they say. When wer seken die Schrift von die grüne Blätterlech Leinen Asach Soides und gute Sachen weist zu erzählen. Sach.
It's probably Sachen. I think there is a.
Yeah, okay. Sachen und Soides, was nur die Fegelech weisen. So where did I start there? As one says, and whoever knows how to write from the script from the green little trees, to read many secrets and good things. He knows how to tell things and secrets that only the little birdies know.
Okay, thank you, Josefa. Susan, will you go on? Nordi Feigelech, Susan.
I lost my place. Oh.
Nordi Feigelech.
Nor Feigelech. only little birds. Und efter noch pitzelig kinderlich. And then afterwards, maybe little kids. Was seinen der Mamas, was zeigen der Mamas Milch, that
Nurse.
nurse with their mother's milk, und lachen von dem Schlaf, and they laugh while they sleep. Und as a Mensch, such a person, was die Fegelschrift can lernen, and such a person who can read the bird writing, as schreibt when he writes, is Gott mit unsere Oisies schreibt Even with our letters, he writes.
No.
Gott mit.
Even though he writes with.
He writes using our letters.
Yes.
By him alt wie bei die Fegelige Reus. Everything he comes out of him like it comes out of the birds. Kurzer schurlich, passiglich und strichelig und pintelig. Posik is like how would you translate that?
Lines.
What?
Corsic?
I think it's lines.
Portion.
A dash.
Okay.
Like a dash or a pasuk under the olive.
Oh. Oh, dashes and lines and dots. By mir in Bichele hab ich taka a zoine liederlich gesehen. I have seen in my books those kinds of little poems or songs. Und ich in an alt Seferl, and I in a small old book hab aza meisele geleint, and it's read just such a little story. Will ich es hören? Do you want to hear it? Do you all want to hear it? Will ich es hören? Do you all want to hear it? Und as du wirst hören, will ich dir erzählen. And if you will hear it, I will tell it to you.
You will listen. You will listen, not hear it.
Okay, you will listen. I will tell the story.
Okay, another paragraph, Susan.
More?
Yes, another paragraph, yeah.
Amol hat der Rav, der Rebbe von die Fegelach, a Geschrei getun. Once the rabbi, the Rebbe of the little birds, let out a yell.
Raven.
Oh.
It was Raven.
Yeah.
Kra, kra. Bald haben sich die Vögel auf die Zweigen von an Akaziabaum herumgesetzt und der Rebbe hat zu die Pitzelach Talmidimloch azoi gesagt. Wow. Crow, or read. So that's
okay. So can you translate?
The birds around him on the twigs from an acacia tree. Arum gazettes. They sat down on the Rebbe hut, and the rabbi had his little students said this. Now, my little birds, we'll begin to learn Chumash. Chumash. haben die Vögel geschrien. Humisch, 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 the little birds yelled out. Und vor Freude mit die Fliegelach gepatschet, and with happiness they moved they banged with their wings.
Okay, thank you, Susan. Thank you.
What? They
Thank
banged.
you.
Clapped.
They clapped. Yeah, they clapped with
Clap.
this thing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Susan. So, Morty, go on.
Okay.
Israel,
Irwelite that sail. Huh?
Yeah, okay.
Sorry, you were saying something, Mina?
No, I just marked the place.
Oh, okay. Ich will euch erzählen, wie die Welt ist beschaffen geworden. I will tell you how the world was created. Wird ihr sich der Quick. You will know that.
Quick. Delighted.
Delighted. Yeah. Quick. Der Quick. The light. Haben alle Vögel mit Amul gequicket. All the little birds at once delighted. On the roof hat dreimal a pig in zwei getin. And the rabbi gave a pig 3 times on the tree.
Branch.
Du sitzen akazierig Geschmack und Pamelech gelassen also ungeheuer. The sweet smell of the tree, of the acacia tree, and slowly and quietly started like this. Mein Seide, my grand.
I had my hand up.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, Elaine. Sorry.
I had a
if
question.
If I don't see you, just talk. Okay.
Okay. On the prior paragraph that we just read, what's a pick?
Yeah.
I didn't get that. Yeah. Dreimal a pick.
It's like pick with his
beak.
Oh, peck, like a peck.
Yeah, peck with his
Got it.
With his,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you.
The schnabel, I don't know. That's the word that I remember now.
Mein Seide, my grandfather, Zichroino Lebroche, may his memory be for a blessing, had mir erzählt, told me this, as had gehört von sein Elternseide, that he heard from his great-grandfather, was an alter Bissig had ihm amul erzählt, that an old, I don't know what Bissig is.
What is basic? Did someone find out? It's a bird or something? Is it a bird?
I don't think it's a I don't, well, whatever it is. An old Bissig told him. Der alter Bissig is amul in a Wald gewein Teich Hitkil. The old Bissig was once in a forest near the river Hittikl.
Hiddekel. So just a moment. The Hiddekel and the Prat are 2 rivers in Iraq. And so the writer, he probably never was in that area or never read about this area because there are no forests in that area.
No.
No forest in that area. So anyway.
Near the river Hiddekel was there. Wie der Vogel ho sitzt auf a hohen Zederbäum, where the bird hoil
No, the Vogelhol is the phoenix.
Oh, the phoenix.
The phoenix.
Where the phoenix
Comes to life.
Means
in,
cursor.
okay.
For a person.
Sits,
Got it. Dank.
Sits on a high pine tree and zählt die Sterne, wenn wird die Sterne überzählen and counts the stars when he will tell the überzählen, when he will finish counting the stars, wird wissen, wie viel Jahr ist alt. Will he know how old he is? Hul, was heißt das so ins Hul? Hul, Phoenix. What does this mean, Phoenix? Ich sag doch euch, I'm telling you, of course, this is a Vogel, was lebt ewig. This is a kind of bird that lives forever. Wächst he grows, grows, bis wächst zurück, until he grows again.
No,
Und
until yeah, and I think that he goes back.
Yeah, he regresses.
He regresses.
He returns. Yeah, and grows again. Und wird schon gur klein, and when he turns really, really small, geht von sein Nest a fire, a small fire comes out from his nest und verbrennt ihm auf Asch and burns him into ashes. Bleibt von ihm a klein Eile, remains from him a small egg, von dem Eile pickt sich aus a neue hole, from the little egg picks out a new hole, a new phoenix, und azoi asof, an egg. And like that, without an end, without an end.
Okay, thank you, Morty. Any questions until now? Any comments until now about what we are reading?
I just want to say I tried searching Bisik and Iran, and it turns out there's something called a besiege, which is like Iran military, Persian military, mean
That's the secret service in Iran.
Yeah.
See, so maybe that's maybe that's what it is.
It didn't exist at that time.
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, Vinkl.
Okay.
Isn't it Visick or Wise One?
I don't know. I tried to find it. I don't know, but maybe Refol raised his hands. Maybe he knows.
Yeah, Visick with a Vav, that's Svevod might be Wise One, but Visick, what I usually do when there's a word like that is I try various Slavic languages. Didn't work in Russian or in Polish, but in Ukrainian, there is a word Visick meaning a scoundrel.
Okay.
I don't know if that's what's meant
Yeah.
here.
Is it with a V? With a V or a B? Visick, right?
B as in Bravo.
With the B. Okay.
Okay. Don't know. Or it might be a name of a bird. I don't know. Anyway, so we are here. Fi. Vinkl, please.
Fi, schreien euch die Vögel. Fi, cried out the little birds. Nu, welche hat der Hul, der zählt? What did the Phoenix tell him? Der Rav tut wieder 3 Pik und 2. The rabbi, picked 3 times on the branch. Schmeckt 3-mal dem Geschmacken Acacia Rich. And he smacked his mouth 3 times for the sweet acacia tree. Und sagt, ihr weißt, you know what? Die Lebne, the moon und der Vogel, Holzennen, Schwester und Bruder. The moon and the phoenix are brother and sister. The Levuna lebt oichet Abek. The moon lives forever.
Yes,
Eternal.
also lives forever.
Wächst und wächst, grows and grows. Und as sie wächst, showing Gor ois, and as she grows, showing Gor ois.
She finishes growing.
As she finishes growing, wächst sie pomelek zurück. She slowly wanes und wird kleiner and gets smaller, bis Feierl geht von ihr Nest heraus und verbrennt sie auf Asch. Just as the fire goes from her nest and burns her into ash. Ois.
Can I just ask a question about the last sentence?
Yes.
The word in the last paragraph. Der Hol, yeah. What is Hol or Hull?
Say it's a phoenix, the phoenix bird.
A what?
A phoenix, the phoenix.
Phoenix. Okay.
What kind of word?
Phoenix. It's supposed to, come every certain thousands of years and renew things or whatever. It's a mythical bird.
Oh, God.
Yes, it lives forever. It rises from the ashes.
There you go. There you go.
It's a sun metaphor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's also applied to the Jewish people. They rise from the ashes.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, go on, Gittel. Ois Levune.
Ois Levuna, out of the moon. Gor name.
No, it's no name.
No way.
Yeah, but no.
Eile is geblieben, picken sich von Eile wieder. As the egg is left,
Yes.
picking itself out of the egg later, Levuna ois. The new moon is picking itself out of the egg.
Yes. Yes.
Ayinga, Spiegel, neu. A new moon. Zennen sie de Fegele machtisch, springen und tanzen gegen ihr und sie singen. Okay, so the little birds, I'm not sure what machtisch.
I think if
Chadash.
Yeah, so
Chadash, from the word Chadash, new.
Renew.
Okay,
Renew.
but Ezra, this is a prayer for the blessing of the new moon.
A fagel, okay, it could be, but I think it means machtish means renews itself.
No. The Feiglers are not renewing themselves. I think they're praying for the moon. Rafael?
Yes, I think, Mina, you're right, because Zezan Mechadash de Levana, they recite the prayer for the renewal of the moon.
For the
Because
renewal
you can see from the remainder of the sentence, springen and tanzen. So part of the ritual for blessing the newly visible new moon is a jump towards the moon.
So before we continue, this story, these fables, did you hear anything like this? I don't know, in Jewish law or something like this. For me, it's the first time that I encounter it. Did any of you encounter this before?
Didn't like this.
No? Okay. So
No.
that's a new thing for us. Good. Gittel, go on.
Springen und tanzen gegen ihr und sie singen. So they jump up and down and they dance in front of it and they sing Tir, 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 nai lavuna cum to mir. So a bunch of syllables. New moon, come to me. Tief, 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 hat sig, hartz, little tief. You have in your heart a deep little song. Queer, queer.
Deep in your heart, you have a song.
Queer, 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 queer. Quell das Liedl singen dir. So a bunch of syllables, then you will sing this little song.
No, I want to sing you this song.
Oh, okay.
I want to sing you this song. Yeah. Okay, Rafael, please.
Yeah, I just want to point out that the prefix there means is short for ich, I. So Chobin heart's a little tief. I have in my heart, deep in my heart, a little song. And Chvel das little singen dir. I will sing this little song to you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Mariv?
So there is a Birkat Hama that is a prayer recited on Shabbat morning preceding the appearance of the new moon. Is that right? My Jewish learning has blessing the new moon. It does seem
There's
to
a blessing.
Hama
There's a blessing for the new month, which we, as a matter of fact, we did a few days ago.
Birkat
Yeah,
HaChodesh.
Birkat HaChodesh. Yeah.
So it does exist.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not
Okay. I mean, he could be making it up for the story. So the way this story's written, it's such a fantasy thing. He could be making up a prayer, but it seems it is a real one.
No, it is a prayer.
I don't remember a prayer specifically for the moon, but there is a prayer that we do every month
for the new moon,
for Rosh
for the
Chodesh,
start
for the
of the
beginning
month.
of the month.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a prayer that we do for the sun, Birkat HaChama. It's a multi-year cycle. We do that occasionally for the renewal of the sun.
Okay, thank you, Ezra. Yes, Rafael.
You might have heard of Kiddush Levana Oisius. And that means great big letters, because the Kiddush Levana, this blessing of the new moon, which is often done, by the way, walking home from shul after Ne'ilah, when it's about the 11th of the month and the new moon is visible up in the sky. Anyway, it's dark out and you need great big letters in your Siddur if you're going to try to read them. And so Kiddush Levana Oisius are these great big letters, and you'll often find in a Siddur that has the Kiddush HaLevana, this particular prayer, and it is a well-known one. You'll see it in bigger letters typically.
That's what we say, otiyot shel kiddush levana, when we refer to these huge things.
Exactly. That's the Hebrew equivalent of the Yiddish Kiddush Levana Oisius.
Yes, yeah. That's what we are doing right now when I am enlarging the script, so you will see. So that's otiyot shel kiddush levana.
Kiddush Levana Oisius.
Kiddush levana. Okay. Rina Leah, go on.
We at Chuppin Unter, is that where we are?
Yes.
Chuppin Unter alle Feglich. Chuppin like grab under alle Feglich?
They all join in.
They all what?
Join in.
Gather.
Okay, gather under all of the birds.
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Unterchappen means sing along.
To sing along? Okay, thank you.
Oh, they gather and they sing along the Feglich. Okay. Und sie wird euch verbrennt, chopt unter der Rob. And it becomes, they burn.
And they also burn, yeah.
They burn, they gather around the rabbi. Und wieder mal, and again, piek, 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 sing a Fegelach, tanzen dich, wieder a naya levona, piet sich ois. Pick, 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 sings a bird dancing.
Yeah, while dancing, yeah.
While dancing, again a new moon comes out. Oh, the moon comes out. Oh, pixie out. Okay. Wie viel neue Levunas hat schon die Welt mechadash gewähnt, singt a Fegler. How many new moons has already the world, have the new moons have already been in the world? Sings a bird. Naya, und alles die eigene Alter, sagt der Rov. Ut verbrennt, ut wieder zurück. Let's see. Naya. New, and all the eigene Alter and their own old? Wait, new
and it's still old.
New, oh, okay. New is still old, says the rabbi. Thus, it burns again. It comes back. It burns and comes back.
Yeah, als die eigene Alte is, and like the old one, new, but like the old one.
Okay. The moon.
But isn't Agin relative? A relative?
No.
It is, but that's not here. Yeah.
Not in this. Okay.
Not in this connection.
What does it mean?
Eigene?
I thought it would be eggs.
No.
Eigene.
Okay, the foil.
Here it means the same. It's cognate to the English word own, O-W-N, but here it means the same.
The same.
It's new, new, but it's still the same old one.
Says the rabbi.
Okay.
Okay, go on, Rinale.
Okay, chirik. Plan ala fegelech freilich. I guess that's a sound they make, right? Chirik.
Yeah.
The sound. No, plan
is to chatter. They're chattering.
Okay, they're chattering. The birds are chattering happily.
Mm-hmm.
They're chattering happily that the moon goes away and burns and still comes back, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. Der Rav vertragt sich a bissel und hebt on weiter. The Rab thinks a little and he begins further. A Schweiger und der Chol, a größer Schweiger, weil alt is wie der Wald. Wait, is that a brother-in-law or mother-in-law? It's one of them.
Schwieger.
Pardon me?
That you're thinking of the word Schwieger, but that's
I am.
That's
I
not
am.
this word.
Schweiger.
A Schweiger.
Schweiger is in Bonschweig.
A silent one?
He's a silent one.
Schweiger. Okay, I was wondering why that would pop up. A silent one is he. What's this? I forgot what it is. Is that
The phoenix. The phoenix.
Oh, okay, that right. I forgot that word.
The
Okay.
phoenix.
Okay, a silent one is he, the phoenix. A big silent one. Alt is wie der. All is he by.
No, he's
like the
old as
woods.
wood.
He's old as the wood.
Alt. Okay, alt. He's as old as the wood. Und eine Sache hat sich angehört, und eine Sache hat sich angesehen, und alles weiß und wer sie weiß der schweigt.
Usually it's not correct, yeah.
Okay, and thus is he hears all, and thus he sees all, and all knows he, and who knows all? The silent one. Nor wenn die Vögel
I wish it was like this.
I guess. Nor wenn die Vögel sinnen a neue Levona mechadash is oifen hol a gute Shah. Only when the birds are a new white moon, when they see a new white moon, is on the phoenix a good hour.
So just a moment before you continue.
Yes.
Raphael.
Yeah, the previous line then.
Yes.
Und wer es weiß alles Ding, schweigt. And whoever knows everything, that person is silent. So the der here is the subject. It's a little unusual, but it's not completely unusual to say der without anything after it. That person is quiet.
I thought it was Not the phoenix, not the phoenix. Okay.
That's right. We're still talking about, why is the phoenix a great a silent one? Because he knows everything. And he who knows everything, such a one is silent.
Okay.
Okay, good, thanks.
Okay. De Mord nehmen sie zu ihm alles Fägelach von dem Wald zu Neuf und bei der Schein von der jungen Levona Scheine.
No, von der jüngere Levone, Scheine Meiserle.
Okay, von der jungen Levona Scheine Meiselach, der zählt See. Okay, let me see where we started. Then he takes to him all the birds from and gathers them from the forest, and by the shine of the younger white beautiful white
moon.
The new
okay from the new moon Shana good pretty the pretty white moon maybe Shana Mazelek's little stories. He tells them stories.
He tells them beautiful stories. The Shana relates to the Maisalech.
Okay, beautiful stories. Thank you. Beautiful stories he tells them. Einmal und der Alter Besieg ist dabei gewesen, hat Maisalech erzählt. Let's see. Einmal once. Right,
once upon a time.
Once upon a time. And the old, what is Bisik again?
We are not sure.
That's the mystery word. Bisik, that's another bird we think. Is then,
or
not, he told the stories. Had he told these stories?
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, Rochelle, go on, Rochelle. Rochelle, zip, zip.
Yeah, zip, zip, zip. Stip, stip, stip sich nicht. Zip, 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 chirp, chirp, chirp. Don't push each other. Bruch sich plötzlich ein bei
Bräuget sich
plötzlich ein Fägelech auf den anderen. I don't know what that means. What's brutzen?
Bräuget sich. He gets angry.
Okay.
Who's
Don't get angry with each other.
Okay. Was hat sich Genter zugetuljet? What have you? I don't know what Genter means.
Nenter.
Oh, what? Okay, why didn't you? Okay, was hat sich Nenter zugetuljet? They hugged closely. They knit
Bräuges.
Okay, don't be angry. Don't be separated. Strange.
Don't be cross. Don't be angry.
Don't be cross. Okay. Bruderlich. Little brothers. Ich will euch Herren. I will listen. Oh, I will also listen to you. Why am I having so much trouble with this? Fei, 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 schreien andere. Fei, 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 others call out. Wo schlagen sich über, that are fighting with each other.
No. Was schlagt it über? Why are you getting in the middle?
It's a question. Okay, wo schlagt ihr über? I'm having trouble with the rate and the ches at the end. Wo schlagt ihr über? What are you fighting about?
No. Yeah, that's okay. Sure, sorry.
Okay. What are you fighting about? Yes.
Yeah, what are you fighting about? Kriegt euch nicht fägelech. Don't argue with each other, birdies. Zuck derauf weich. the rabbi, or is this the crow?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So the crow says gently, "Ruckt sich zu, come together. Nenter, come together closer. Otazoi, good, good. New Herz. So come together closer and listen. Amol seinen Menschen auf a Schiff über den großen Yam gefahren. Once upon a time, people were riding, sailing on a ship on the great ocean. Plötzlich hab, haben sie a Vogel der sehen. All of a sudden, they saw a bird. Their cup in Himmel, the head in heaven or in the sky, the feet in Yam, the feet in the ocean, und das Wasser by the Knöchel, and the water up to his knees.
Ankle.
Ankle. Okay, I didn't know whether Knöchel was knees or ankle. Okay. Haben sie gewollt von der Schiff springen, so they wanted to jump off the boat. Boden
Bodensee.
sich verglust sei. It occurred to them, or they wanted to swim. Gemeint nicht tief. They thought it was not very deep.
Knechelwasser. Knechelwasser.
Nechelwasser. I don't know what that means.
So water to the ankle. So
Oh, okay.
It's shallow.
Ankle deep. Okay, shallow. Chutzim haben sie a but a
Baskol. A baskol.
Baskol der Herz. So they heard some kind of voice.
Yes.
Echo.
Echo. Okay.
Oh, that's a cute
Eye.
one. That's cool.
Take
Voice
care.
from heaven.
Okay. Take care. Mit 7 Jahren zurück haben a Holziger da.
Holzecker.
Holziger da.
No. Holzhecker. Someone who is cutting the wood.
Okay.
Woodchopper.
A woodsman. A woodsman da. Holz gehackt. Listen, with several years back,
7 years ago.
Okay, 7 years back, 7 years ago, a woodsman was chopping wood here.
Yeah.
Das Holz,
Ackeisen.
das
Ackeisen.
Ackeisen in Wasser herab. The axe that he was using fell into the water. Falt on. I'm missing the words here because it's covered on der.
No, Adayom, until today.
Adayom bis zum Grund nicht dergangen and did not reach the shore.
No, it didn't get to the bottom. Zum Grund. It didn't get to the bottom.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you, Rachel, and I see that Karen. Karen?
I just wanted to mention that another definition of baskol, in addition to echo, is a voice from heaven.
A voice from heaven. Yeah. Okay, you want to read the next paragraph before
Karen, can you what was a baskol? I missed that.
A heavenly voice. A heavenly voice from above.
Where is it?
Here. A bath call. You see, it's in blue.
I'm not seeing your cursor.
It's at the end of the line.
It's blue. Okay, it's blue. A bath call.
A dunk.
Okay.
Okay.
So, Karen, will you? It's just a bit. Tief.
Tief, deep. Gaffen die Fegelach. The little birds gaped with open mouths. Azoi tief, very deep. Azoi tief, sagt der Rob. Very deep, says the raven, the crow. Azoi tief, und koin bis die Knöchel, very deep and almost to the ankles. Wundert sich eins, one of them wonders. Was der Chiddush? What's the surprise? Entfert der Rebbe, answered the teacher. Jener Vogel is Bar Jochne
Jochne
given.
gewesen.
And this I don't know. Is this the son of
So that's a
Jonah?
problem. That's also was a problem for me. I couldn't find anything related to Bar Yochne, but from the story itself, it looks like maybe it's a reference to God.
It does because of the next words.
Yeah.
Bar Yochne, geläut is und geläut is sein Nomen. Praise to him and praise be his name. Bar Yochne,
Jochne.
Was die tiefenisch, that the deepest depth mit die Knöchel von seiner Fies messt euch, that the deepest depth with the ankles from his feet he measures.
Okay, I think we should stop here. I think we should stop here and
Can we
continue.
explain this a little bit?
I didn't know if this is related to Jonah, the one who built the ark. But I couldn't find. It just seems like it's son of Yochna.
Yeah, Bar Yochna. Yeah, but the
Never
problem
heard of
is that there isn't anything like Yochne. No wise from the.
I'm trying to get an image here that whoever this Bar Yochna is measuring is so immense that he measures the depth of the ocean by standing up to his ankles only.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yes. So that's why I think it's a reference to God, to the All Almighty, to something that is bigger than, so, but otherwise I don't know. Morty is with us?
Yeah, I don't think it refers to God because if it doesn't make sense. Bar is Ben, and so no, it must be some sort of a mythical image.
There was actually a parallel story that is reminiscent of this that I know, but it's very far off from what I at least would imagine many Jews would know of at this point. But the story, the Mabinogion, which is an ancient Welsh story, was very popular amongst late Victorians, at least all the way over to Germany. And it has the story of Bran, who was this fairy king that crossed the strait between England and Ireland. And one of the funny things about at least the book that I read of the Mabinogion is at no point does it mention in the story does it mention that this king is a giant until he crosses the water with the ships around him in the water while he himself is just wading across.
Well,
do you have a reference for this? If you have a reference, if you can put it in the chat, it would be helpful.
Mabinogion is a huge book.
Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, I don't remember where it is in the Mabinogion.
Well, Debbie put
gigantic.
In the chat, a rabbi has been teaching about the phoenix bird. If you look in the chat, I don't know.
I'll put the word Mabinogion so you'll know how to search it.
Okay. So Barbara and then Morty. Barbara, you're muted.
It's like a Burgermeister to me.
Yeah, so I just looked it up. It says the Bar Yochne is literally son of the nest, is a giant bird mentioned several times in the Talmud.
Oh.
Where did you find it?
Yeah, I just, I questioned Google, Rav Google, and then up came, this reference to Wikipedia.
No, I checked Google and I didn't find it. Very interesting.
Okay.
I didn't find it either.
It says Bar Yochne in the London Miscellany, a manuscript produced circa 1300. It shows actually an illustration of the bird with a huge
Barbara,
egg.
what's the Wikipedia page name?
Okay, the Bar Yochne, Baryokni.
Okay, because I was looking it up in Hebrew and nothing came up in Hebrew. So yeah, okay.
What
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
What page did we end on? Where
10.
10?
10.
Okay, so can I go on just a moment?
Yeah, yes, you can go on. Yes, please.
So I see some more. The Talmud identifies the Bar Yochne with the ostrich mentioned in the book of Job. It describes how this bird, after laying its egg, flies with it at a great height to its nest where it puts it gently down. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Wow. Bravo,
Yeah,
Barbara.
now we know. Yeah.
Very good.
Except I think that ostriches don't fly.
How would you?
I was just gonna say that. I was just gonna say that.
What did they know from ostriches
Supposed to be
back then?
mythical anyway, right?
Okay. Anything else, Marty?
Yes, I just wanted to mention, if anybody is interested in Kiddush Levana, and by the way, probably because my conservative upbringing and praying, I didn't really know about it. But in my Orthodox Siddur, it says that it should be said between the 3rd day of the new moon and the 15th day of the new moon, one of those days, preferably on Shabbat after Mariv services. It requires a minyan, and it has to be said outside the synagogue. Under the moon.
You have to see
That's the whole story.
You know what? This is really. Can I just?
Oh my goodness! I've been doing it wrong all these years.
Wait a minute.
Yes, you have.
I wanted to mention something.
Remember, women don't count.
Yeah.
Women don't count. Listen, I'm in a conservative synagogue, and I belong to a Rosh Chodesh group. So I want to know more about this going outside.
I said it.
Okay, so Rochelle and then Bob. Rochelle?
Is there a good translation of this? I didn't know if you sent a translation.
No, I didn't find any translation. I didn't find these books translated, not into English. I think I knew the name because I think I saw some of the fables in Hebrew, but I didn't see it in English. But I can try and look again.
Okay, I think it's absolutely wonderful, and they would make a wonderful children's book.
Delightful, this story.
Yeah,
Delightful.
it's something that we never did, and those are fables, like all the
I love fables, but this is a wonderful one.
Of the moon, I mean, with the birds. God,
the comparison of the phoenix and the moon is brilliant.
We come to the Houston Vinkl to learn the Talmud.
among other things,
Among other things.
Well, yeah, that's
we back into it.
But that's what I want to do. I want to get into all kinds of Jewish, tradition, Jewish culture, Jewish literature, Jewish history. So but we do it through the stories because otherwise
we have to learn at some point, right? We got to learn to be Jews.
So yeah, but if we don't do it through stories, it's just boring. But with the stories, it points. Now it's we can fun. Talk about this and that. Yeah,
it's fun. When I history classes in high school, and I still remember memorizing dates. And if they told it, it was told through stories, human stories. It would make a difference. They may be teaching it better today. I don't know.
Nowadays, they don't teach history through dates. It's nothing. No, not through dates. Yeah, it's always Also, if you look at journalism, it always starts with a story. And then it goes to talk about this and that. But with a story, you get into it, so you are interested. You want to know what is it, what's about it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And I saw someone else raise their hand. Or am I
Yes,
mistaken?
Google says that the modern Hebrew is Yana. Yanit is an ostrich.
Yanit.
No. Ye'ena.
That's what Google says. The modern Hebrew, Yanit is ostrich.
Ye'ena.
We have to have some forgiveness for Google.
It's
Some
Ye'ena.
You can't,
Ye'ena.
Well, that's interesting because our maestro of the Philadelphia Orchestra is Yannick. I'm not sure I mean, he's from Canada, but prior to that, I think his family's from another country.
Okay. Everyone in Canada, almost everyone in Canada is from another country, no?
Okay.
I don't know. When are you going to Canada, Morty?
God willing, next Wednesday.
But you will be only in Toronto?
I will be for a few days in Miami visiting family.
That's another country.
But most of the time in Toronto.
Okay, because I'm going to Canada as well in 3 weeks, but I'm going to Montreal.
Well, you're going to enjoy that city.
I hope so. You know,
a lot of Yiddish.
Montreal is a lot of fun.
A lot of Yiddish.
A lot of Yiddish, a lot of Jewish history.
Toronto Yiddish, right? There's more Yiddish in Toronto, I think, than
nowadays. Yes,
Montreal.
Nowadays,
they have a lot. They have a Yiddish library. So, I mean, I've met some people from Montreal, so they tell me. And
but most of that was before. Remember that during the Quebecois movement, lots of Jews left for Toronto, practically duplicated the Jewish population in Toronto. But still, there are lots of Jews in Montreal. Other than that, very good restaurants. Go to the old city, which is really nice.
I will be staying in the old city.
Yeah.
Isn't Quebec part of it? I saw a lot of Muslims in Quebec.
There are immigrants everywhere.
They're everywhere.
In Toronto, too many.
They're in Philadelphia. I mean, yeah, they're everywhere. Yeah.
So, Minna, when you come back, you have to tell us which is the best bagel shop